हेलो हाय दोस्तों भाई बहनों, आप सब लोगों को टॉप हिंदी गिटार लेसन में स्वागत है। आज हम ए.आर. रहमान का लेटेस्ट सॉन्ग अराइव्ड द एंथम देखने जा रहे हैं। इट्स रियली नाइस सॉन्ग, आई होप यू गाइस विल एंजॉय इट। तो पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाने का ट्यूनिंग देखते हैं। ई स्टैंडर्ड में 440, ई स्टैंडर्ड में ऊपर से नीचे तक, ई ए डी जी बी ई। नाउ लेट्स फॉलो द सॉन्ग and let's see what comes and then I'll break it down slowly.
शुरू से शुरू करते हैं। जीरो से शुरू करते हैं।
As you can hear, there are like 4 chord happening. Intro में 4 chord है। एक है G minor, finger position ऊपर से नीचे तक 6 till first, 3 5 5 3 3 3. Second chord A sharp or B flat. Finger position 6 8 8 7 6 6. आप ये A sharp यहाँ पर भी बता सकते हैं। Finger position 5th से first तक 1 3 3 3 1. A sharp. Third chord D sharp, finger position 5th till first, 6 8 8 8 6. The fourth chord for the intro, the last chord for the intro, C minor, 3 5 5 4 3, 1 2 3 4. अभी देखते हैं क्या आता है गाने में। Really easy. पहले हम स्टार्ट करते हैं 4th स्ट्रिंग का 3 से 5 में हैमरिंग। नाउ वी मूव टू स्ट्रिंग नंबर 3, 3rd स्ट्रिंग का नंबर 7 में। वहाँ पर भी हैमरिंग करते हैं अभी 5 से 7 में। बैक टू 5, उसके बाद 3 में, 3rd स्ट्रिंग का 3 में, उसके बाद 4th स्ट्रिंग का 5 में और 3 में। इट्स वेरी सिंपल। उसके बाद वी रिपीट द सेम बट विदाउट डूइंग द हैमरिंग ऑन 4th स्ट्रिंग। पहले हैमरिंग करते, दूसरे बाद हैमरिंग नहीं होता। सो इट्स लाइक हैमरिंग विदाउट हैमरिंग, हैमरिंग विदाउट हैमरिंग, हैमरिंग, नो हैमरिंग। इट्स रियली इजी एंड एट द एंड आई थिंक यू लेट मी सी एट व्हाट नोट यू एंड दिस। We stop at number 5 on 4th string. अभी गाने का rhythm pattern देखते हैं। It's really easy one. First I'll play it and then I'll break it down. तो पहले, it's always nice to do some palm muting when you do this kind of rhythm pattern. अभी देखते हैं palm muting के साथ, without palm muting. I think it sounds a little bit dirty, so I think it's better if you do a little bit with palm muting. तो पहले करते हैं down full string, उसके बाद only the upper low strings 2 times, and then we repeat this once again, and at the end we do down and down 1 time full string and the lower strings 1 time down, like this, and all together. जब आप ये फुल स्ट्रिंग करते हैं ना, you can move the palm muting, but when you do this, the lower string 2 times down, I think it's better to do the palm muting. अभी गाने का कॉर्ड देखते हैं together with the song. G minor, A sharp, D sharp, C minor, same like the intro. Now Now comes, we play G minor, A sharp, D sharp, C minor 2 times, then comes D sharp. C minor, D sharp, C minor, C minor, G sharp. There's a new chord now, G sharp. Finger position 6 till first. 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 4. Abhi, let me do the whole thing what we have seen till now, the whole chord. It was really hard to find this chord. We do C minor and then we play G sharp, then we go again to C minor and then we play this weird chord. It's not that weird, but the name is really weird. E flat 5, no 3. Finger position 4th, 3rd and 2nd string ka 2, 3, 5. I hope this is the right one. I think you can also do the first open, you know. I think it's the same because we are already playing the E here, and the first one, the open one is also E, and the second string, number 5 is also E. So what we are playing here is E, A sharp, E, E. And now let's see the chorus chord. We play in D sharp, and then G minor, and then we move to D sharp again. D sharp, G minor, A sharp, D sharp, and then we play again D sharp, G minor, A sharp, D sharp 2 times, and then C minor. We play C minor 2 times. Then we play D sharp. अभी देखते हैं after the chorus, what comes after the chorus. Comes again the main guitar melody, but now there's like 2 guitars. The one guitar is doing the lower one, and the guitar number 2 is doing the higher one. Same like the what we're doing here is same like the main guitar melody, but just a little bit of change here. Let me show you. On 2nd string you play 6 to 8 hammering, then you slide to number 10 on 1st string, and then you slide now from 9 to 10. If you slide down, the first slide is just randomly on number 10, the second one is from 9 to 10, and then you move to number 8, 1st string, number 6, and then you play on 2nd string 8 and 6. And then you repeat the same again without the hammering, the second one. Now let's see some more chords. D sharp, C minor, again D sharp, C minor again. Now you can use a little bit of overdrive or distortion here. D sharp, finger position, power, it's the power chord now. 5th and 4th string, 6 and 8, 2 times. Again, same there. D sharp, G minor. Now comes A sharp. Now play C. You play it here 2 times. Yeah. So let me play this whole section again for you. G sharp, C minor, At the end of the song, there's a small fill-up when there's a chorus happening. The first one is on second string number 11, third string number 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Same like the rhythm pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It's like 11, 10, 10, 11, 10, 10, 11, 10. You play this on 3 chords. And at the end, we come back to D sharp, but here now you play 11, 8, 8, 11, 8, 8, 11, 8. I show you how now. So, like I told you before, the first 3 you do 11 and 10, and the last one you do 11 and 8. And at the end, you play. And then you stop at the D sharp. So that was all. I hope you guys will enjoy this song. Please do keep supporting Top Hindi Guitar Lesson, and then we'll see us very soon.